choice.
My choice?
Mm-hmm.
Well, if we wait too long, it's going to be for the dogs in the car.
It's gonna get what?
Too hot for the dogs in the car.
It'll help them dry, right? No, my only request is that we do something with her Halston.
Yeah, I'm sure to get her. Oh, no,
Like, of course, the chickens aren't being very conducive to letting me record this now. Oh my God, Toby, you're gonna die over there. My chicken!
Look at how brindle Oli is.
I know. I was admiring that. Look at Oli.
He's not totally black. Your tongue's hanging out.
Like, I'm trying to keep up with Toby. Alright, who's